So Brasso has been around for 100 years. And, it really works. So I've got this faux bamboo brass hardware. It's just vintage, so it's dark and tarnished and has a patina on it. And just applied some of the Brasso straight onto the metal. The 0000 steel wool, 4 zeros, so it's fine steel wool. Just rub. Look at that already. Doesn't take much. So you can use the original hardware, just polish it up. It's a product that's 100 years old. Look at that. You can let it sit on there for a bit and you just buff it.